Hello and welcome to the Custom Vantage Office video on adding or creating customers. So within Custom Vantage Office, there are multiple ways that you can create customers. I've clicked on the customer icon. It brings me to the customer lookup screen, and now I can click on New. I'm brought to the New Customer Wizard. Now the New Customer Wizard is an option that by default is on, but if you prefer not to use the New Customer Wizard, you do not have to. So all I need to do is enter some of this information or as much of it as I desire. And in my case, I'll start with a phone number and a company name. If there were no company name, I would put a first and last name. I still can. And if I know it, I can put in the zip code. And Custom Vantage Office comes with over 80,000 US zip codes so that you don't have to type in the city, state, and it also comes with over 800,000 Canadian postcodes. So I select that and I will put in the customer's email. Okay, and now before I click add with the customer wizard, I do have the option of clicking find match. And if there were a match, in other words, if this customer already existed, then I could choose to just accept that customer. That prevents me from adding duplicates, maybe two different people in one office placed in order. Rather than creating two different records for that company, one for each of those people, it allows me to find the existing and assign this new person to it. In this case, there is no match, so I will click add. Now, what you'll notice is that it populated all of the information that I did put in, the company name, the email, the phone number, etc., city, state, and zip. Once I know the address, I type that in, and fill out whatever other information I need. Now, the key information, of course, always has to be filled out. You obviously always need an address, phone number, email address, but the rest is dependent upon your scenario. Under this setup information area, I do need to create at least two other pieces of information, or at least I should say add. The first is what the tax code is for this customer. So in this case, this customer is in Massachusetts, so they're going to get Massachusetts tax. In Massachusetts, freight is not taxed, so I'm not going to add a tax rate for freight. What are the terms that this customer is granted? Is it net 30? Is it due on receipt, etc.? What is their default shipping method? You can change that for every and any order or invoice, but what is the default? And then a very important one, the send report type. If I have an email address, I want to send this person's invoices and statements by email. So I'm going to change this to email. By doing that, at the end of the night when we're posting invoices, that customer's invoice will automatically be emailed to them. So you don't have to waste time or money printing and mailing. Your options here are print, email, both, or none. Okay, once that's done, I hit save. That customer is now complete. By the way, just in case you were unaware, you can click on this little icon and it'll bring you to Google Maps or Yahoo Maps, depending on your configuration, and actually show you the location for that customer. I hope you found adding a customer easy. Thank you for using Custom Vantage Office.